Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys how to get to the Microsoft Store on here so you can download StopMotion Studio. On this little search bar, you're just going to start typing in Microsoft Store, and then you'll notice the app will pop up. You might know a different way to get to it, and if you do, that's fine. You're welcome to use that way. So once you're on here, you're going to have the option to go to the search menu, and you should type in StopMotion Studio. And it's this blue one that pops up here. The teal one is the one that is free, which is the one we are going to download today. If it does not pop up, you can always search for it. And again, it's this bluish one here that you can click on. It should say that it is free. Again, if you know how to do this by a different method, you're welcome to do that. But this is the app that you are downloading onto your tablet. And then you're going to go ahead and click Get. And then you will, if it prompts you to sign in, you can sign in using your N number at sarasotacountyschools.net and then your PIN number. Oops. And all right, so you guys are going to do this a little bit differently. I have like okay. Well, you guys are going to go ahead and do it this way, and then download it, and it will work just fine for you. I have tested it out onto your. Oh, okay. It's doing it without me actually signing in. So that if it gives you an issue, pretend like you're signing in and then go back out of it, and perhaps it will start downloading anyways. If you have issues with this, I do expect that you will message me on Remind to let me know that there is an issue. You guys have to have this for the project you are starting tomorrow. All right. So again, this is really important that you get this downloaded on your tablet and that you have the ability to get to it tomorrow. All right. Have a great day.